To add notes to your PowerPoint slide, they're normally found at the bottom. If you're in the normal view for the presentation, they will be down here, and it allows you to add in annotations, notes, and elements that are going to help you with your presentation. Sometimes it's not shown, and there's a shortcut down here which will allow you to enable them back. Now with notes, if you keep typing, they could get longer and longer, which ends up eating into your space for design. So being able to show and hide them is a really key function. Another one that I like about using notes on PowerPoint is that if it's a bit lengthier in copy, you can go onto the notes page, and this will allow you to type and add in text as if you're working on a Word document or maybe like an essay style. So if there's a lot of information on screen, this can be handy for financial information, legal disclaimers, and any other information which might be hard to memorize but easy to note down. If we go back to the normal view, this is where we can find the normal selection here. Now when you're working on slides in PowerPoint, you might work collaboratively with other people in your team. So the best way to do this is using the notes function. Instead of typing a separate message to someone, you can put information down here that could be to edit the image or change copy, etc. So that people can then come into the same presentation and see your notes, and then enable you all to work together to obviously produce the PowerPoint slide. As a designer, that's a key feature, and one of the reasons why I definitely recommend to get your head around using notes. In PowerPoint, you can also edit your page setup. So along with having key elements such as notes, where we currently have this page set up to be a widescreen, if you want to change your page setup to be landscape, portrait, or any size that you might need, you simply go to File, Page Setup, and it presents you with all of the options that you have. Now here you can change the orientation, so you can go landscape or portrait, and then you have the option here for preset sizes, which is quite handy to use. Now A4 paper is really good if you just want to make printouts. I would definitely recommend creating stuff in PowerPoint over Word if you want to put a bit more artistic or design elements in, because it's just better for it. It's better for presentation, so use that to your advantage if you ever need to make a leaflet or something else. It can be quite handy at the workplace, even for CV design as well. I've seen people using this, and you have that added benefit of being able to export to a PDF, so that then you can keep that file type a bit more universal around sharing with emails or online for that job that you want to go for. Another key feature of PowerPoint is if you go down to custom here, you just need to work out conversion from pixels to centimeters or millimeters, and you can create social posts. I see a lot of people creating stories and square posts in PowerPoint, and then they use it on their profiles. This can be great if you don't have Adobe and if you're just stepping into the design space. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you an A4 piece of paper, and we're going to go with that being portrait. So I'm going to scale it up. And what that means now is that my slide has changed from a widescreen format to an A4 piece of paper. So this can be handy for obviously printing and just using in general. Now there's one more key tip that I want to just discuss. With widescreen and on-screen show. On-screen show, the 4:3 was more boxy for laptops back in the day. Now with widescreen, we have a lot more modern technology. We have better screens, better quality. Definitely push for a widescreen format on your presentations. It allows you to have more room on the page. It allows you to show off more in more high quality. So definitely push for that. Just check with the projection or the TV that you're using to present with beforehand. So that's basically page setup, and using page setup along with notes, it's really handy to improve your PowerPoint game and just bring these key elements in to save time, just make things easy on yourself, just be able to utilize these tools in a different way to what they were normally used for. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you want to check out more, I've got some more videos that relate to PowerPoint and Word, and I will be venturing into further tutorials to help you be more efficient and just to gain a bit more creative know-how when you're designing documents or any work elements in a professional or business environment. Remember to like, subscribe and follow if you found this interesting, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.